Ebusia, there is a wahala bia air cost media between Headucator, I say a queer people, gay for no, and Honorable Sam George, member of Parliament for Nigo Prampan Queensland, also a Minister for Information and Communication. Then you for LGBTQ and Sam, and Sam George, a press conference, we are no Headucator, Abba Repra, Sam George, Ebo Headucator, Eddie Ewu, Mobusia, media, and so I sang again. Member to the moon to the word and Amame. Ewo comment section. I PENYAH block media, Mesra say any deal. Over like video no that my subscribe button somebody click notification icon of latest update somebody to the wide and mama e comment section oba so no share for so anya bi ahwe etuba Ghana hanom ade gwa kwa mamu foro na e interest e wo mu the issue of LGBTQ trumu ne gay ne lesbianism ne bisexual ne safe sex ne sankwase ade no aha lelelele no aha eno Ghana for no interest e wo mu because you believe say Ghana is about 80% Christian country. It is that trumu near that. A chiwa de abo man. It yam peneso emanema Ghana hanum. It was a yamra editia. Emabeka this bill na Sam George and the Ghana Parliament 2022-34 nimo eba and the Ghana Parliament. Now it was so interesting to see say though Sam George ya on the Parliament na pen 2015 abla LGBTQ editi fro Sam George e defende ye okwatena sejunu hu ye as asori panyino no benya adwunu foforo ye eba say ne ma me push at first me na me defend ye but now no let me be the advocate pushing that agenda. It is Sam George and go PM Ghana Parliament. I know that you go for say go for the ensign because of that in fact o jina so kan kase twetwe we be the kire go for ado Sam George jina LGBTQ and some e kan kase twetwe bebrebe the kire go for ado ba omia kan ya kra kan ya kuzi say sebe Kufuor the air koye LGBTQ activists. They say Sam George ekasapa no be anim say ne or ya de obodo ho modern e ma sofo nyina trom support edeba ono and this but and this about mu akoba say LGBTQ and some I say ye hu say yes sign I say ye best sign no ye kire nsemu rather yes ye make explanations any other bill that was a pass of parliament they were according to speaker of parliament why already Obiasi and sign 80 then money delay. I don't even get it. And this was 2/3. It means say Mohammed ma for me that bill on our parliament. Now mama assent. Mahama be sign. 80 then ma do a delay. I don't even get it. Mentia say then ma do a delay on. Then ma this bill with a delay. Moka say mu yi Chief Justice everyone more. Minority can be a mujra mu 2/3 a unifu. And the day by day now I want LGBTQ one. And this government ain't mean almost 2/3 no so. And pass a bill. I don't even get it. What I told you get from it. Benefit munya wo want to know. As at now, yeah, that's okay LGBTQ as some sign. Still you sign ye. And there na government to free home. Emma Busia said by na say nipa bebre na no. Edu mani esi Sam George say omra be kasa ko mahama se now no. On be so be sign or say any priority. It is not a priority of Ghanaian. Emma Felix Ofotu ko ache so the beta to. Tira say now, Kakoya say, as a omu both defense and MPP Motan man sign 80, you have no moral right to attack us. Meanwhile, NDC Muna Model Parliament, it is Mune Hiamo. It is Obi and sign 117 year 2 tiano, Mumamba among sign was for sure a more credible Mona Modico PM or Parliament. It is Mune Hiamo. But that's omu both defensive tactics. Omu defensive tactics. Now was ya, Enroy, Ana Sam George working in our Mekasa. Because the media no so makasa drama sumu ana Sam George bekasa na we didn't true na yachi we wa ana Sam George bekasa LGBTQ and Sam George was say who position ni one den ba ye no so that pussycat bekasa e me no Sam George bekasa na nin kasa mu no e no the Headucator cite example e say ye pass e bi onu kukuro Headucator and then Crawford omombo mutumi obekaya there was a porous sport it's a porous sport program because so akra na nsem ana to the porous sport e hodo kwa no Headucator e ko piem ase e mo ko piem kwa no mu boje no so mayi twitwa ne enfoni na de ade e me kwa there were series of gays ya omuba ase bi minim say program ye ma gay and lesbian for there I don't know that porous sport minim say ma gay and lesbian for there but I can't tell but e hodo there you could see say there were a whole lot of queer people over there. It is Sam George in his remark now. SIT, Headucator, any example says you pass a bill and that brand here no or beko jail because unim no or no or promote LGBTQ media.
Uganda has replicated our bill, gone ahead to pass it. Senegal has done the same, passed it, and even reviewed their bill to increase the sanctions. And let us be clear, it has not brought any economic sanctions on any of those countries. And so it is important that I believe that we have done this, but we will respect the processes. The processes for the passage of a private member's bill must be respected to the letter through every single phase. So even though we want expediency, I will urge that we do what the letter of the law says is the process. Let me reiterate the fact that as for the clauses, we have gone through them, we've masticated them, we will go through them expeditiously, and there is nothing new. I have seen a few suggestions that have come. We can look at the merits or demerits, but the body of the law, Mr. Chairman, remains the same. The calls from very respectable groups like the Catholic Bishops' Conference are very well placed because of how sensitive and important this is. From the office of the Chief Imam, very important calls have been made. We've been told by the Chief Imam spokesperson that the Chief Imam's pleasure is to see this bill passed before he is called to his maker. I believe that Parliament has a responsibility to grant the Chief Imam his wish and grant the Catholic bishops their wish by making sure we do what we have to do expeditiously and placing this before President Mahama. And then we can collectively demand that President Mahama signs the bill. I have all the assurances that he will do the necessary when we place the bill before him. Male who claims that he has transitioned to a female and has held himself out on TV and done music videos, and now claims that he is having intersex with Honorable Intim Fojo, and that Honorable Intim Fojo is his gay lover. Now, on that person's claim, that person is holding out and making such claims. Tell me how we managed to prosecute the ACP Agodro and others on the basis of a text message in a WhatsApp group. That was a conversation that we were able to find criminality and prosecute. But why are we saying that someone like this individual who has gone out to hold out and is even making such claims, we are saying we can't hold the person is not holding, and that is not prosecutable?
Chairman, my name has come up. It is important I respond. Maxine, in her old or present life, no, it's important. In her old or present life, as contrary to her claim, contrary to his or her claim that she has had some, perversive intercourse with me, I've never engaged in any sexual intercourse, apart from what God created between Adam and Eve.
There's a gentleman for whom a video was leaked and an altercation between himself and a male lover of him came up last year. A gentleman known as Headucator. Now, he can be charged on the basis of the video of male and male intercourse. That is a different thing. But aside from that video that came out, that individual holds himself out and promotes homosexual activity on his social media page. That person is holding himself out, so there is an act, and there is the actus rules and mens rea can be determined from his activity. So you take his activity on social media, his public commentary he has made where he admits to what his sexual preferences are.
So he can't make that statement.
So
he's not allowed to make that statement.
It is not just about making the statement. That the actus rules then goes to what has he been doing. The statement is an evidence of the mens rea, the thinking. But the actus rules is in what has he done to actualize the statement that he is this.
So those two, so those two must go before you can ground a cause of criminality.
Sam George ekase we na busia video na kwato Headucator anim. Na Headucator so abere plus Sam George na busia we ensemo a oka.
Even if they arrest me, guys, just know that
last year a gentleman known as Headucator. Now, he can be charged on the basis of the video
The pedophiles will still live amongst you. The greatest will still live amongst you, okay? All these men will still live amongst you. And at the end of the day, let me not see anybody saying justice for this person. I'll go slap all of you now. DJ, Mamin John. Me play Jingle Day by YPB Copper. So, I mean, I really, really look up to him. Why are you shouting? Because it's my house and I can do whatever I want, baby. So when you are arrested, male or female cell, then go put you. They'll put me in the Gmail cell or the iCloud cell. Why? How bold are you? I don't know. You look pretty. I've forever been pretty, baby. It's giving 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh my God. So if you are queer and you're watching me, when the bill is passed, that is when you have all the chance to be at any country you want to be outside Ghana. Baby, they're going to put you on allowance. They're going to care for you. They're going to give you a house. My dear, there's more to life. I'm very pass. I walk it up to me to talk about DJ. But fixing me in my way.
It's a big beef. Sam George versus Headucator on the issue of LGBTQ. Why do you anything? One out trying to beef you, one out supporting Headucator and Sam George. One out trying to cheat. Why do you mammy ever comment session? I hype in your block video.